Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more non-phone data entry type work from home job leads for you. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone jobs where you can have background noise if you have kids at home or other things going on in your home that you don't have a quiet place to do customer service on the phone type work. So I've got you in this video. I do just want to quickly say that it seems like YouTube is not sending out notifications to all of my subscribers every time I upload a new video. So maybe once a day or so, go check my main channel page and see if there's anything that you've missed, because I've seen a few comments lately asking me to do videos on certain topics, and I know I have done videos in the last few days on those, but of course I will continue to look for new and better opportunities and share them as I come across them. And you can let me know if you enjoy non-phone job leads like this and want to see more of it by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, sharing is caring, so if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them. But first up, we have the company C&F Enterprises. They only have 21 reviews on Glassdoor from past and current employees, so please, I always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have an overall employee satisfaction rating, though, of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an invoice data entry clerk. Now, real quickly, I don't work for any of these companies. I don't have any information outside of this. They are based in Newport News, Virginia. This is a remote position, but I'm not sure if you need to be local to the area or not, because some of the duties make it sound like you might be. But C&F Enterprises basically serves many different brands, offering home decor that can showcase people's personal styles in every room of their home. They're looking for somebody to help support their shipping and logistics team in daily tasks of invoicing and administrative tasks. So you're going to route shipping and processing invoices for the sales orders, be responsible for the activities of freight bills, billing of direct billing activities, but it does say transport shipping documents to and from warehouse and office. I'm not sure why you would transport documents in today's day and age where it's all done online. PDFs can be emailed, uploaded, things like that. So just again, that's where I don't know if you need to be local to the area or not. But they're also looking for somebody to help address concerns with damage claim processing. You'll generate shipping labels. You'll assist the sales team with processing and inventory control where orders. So just making sure that all inventory is entered correctly, updated, all the things are in the system correctly. They are looking for somebody who's great customer service type skills, great with Microsoft Office and Excel, somebody who has great organizational skills and time management skills. Of course, a high school diploma or GED is needed, and some data entry experience is preferred. And unfortunately, they did not list the pay on this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, this one is going to be state specific, but if you like healthcare data entry, Envision Radiology has 80 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.1 out of 5 star rating. They're looking for a remote data entry representative. Now again, this is only open to certain states. They're listed right here at the very tippity top, but they are looking for somebody to basically perform all tasks required for data entry processing under the direction of the basic supervisor. Pay is anywhere from $14.65 an hour all the way up to $17.65 an hour. But some things that you'll be doing is entering, updating, and verifying patient referral data into various systems. You'll review and verify that the data entered into the database is accurate and error-free, processing all faxes in a timely and efficient manner, confirming that medical scripts and referral documentation does have the correct procedures listed on it based on the prior authorizations from the insurance company, referrals, things like that. They're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service or data entry experience. Now, healthcare is not required, but they do prefer somebody with some healthcare experience. You do have to be able to type 9,000 keystrokes per hour, be self-motivated, detail-oriented, and be able to work in a fast-paced environment. Next up, we have a Thermo Fisher Scientific. They have 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor. They're a rather large company, and they have a overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data entry assistant. Now, it does say remote in Mexico here, but way down at the bottom, it talks about all of their requirements for their US and Canada colleagues. So I'm throwing this out there. just trying to help everyone find the best work from home job for them. But they're basically looking for somebody to support their service with data entry by maintaining the mailbox, sending invoices for approval, making any changes required to those invoices, preparing shipping invoices, things like that. You'll maintain courier contact sheets, maintaining data entry mailbox, responding to all those requests. So this must be like an email inbox. You'll enter update site information supplied by the sponsor, project manager, investigator, things like that. You're going to review site contact details and update fax settings for sites. So you're just going to be doing a lot of data entry for invoicing and different site settings and things like that. Basically making sure all the information is organized and in the system and is complete. They only require high school diploma or GED and 2 years of general logistics experience. Somebody who is good knowledge of clinical practices or labs, someone who has great communication skills, can be a problem solver and a critical thinker. Now again, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. If you're looking to do more typing like transcription type work where you listen to something and type what you hear and you want to base on a freelance position where your schedule is flexible, this next one might be for you. Verbit has 310 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a freelance transcriber. Now, real quickly, I do want to note I am working on a longer article to post up for you on my website that is 25 different websites that do hire freelance transcribers like this for beginners. I will have that up very soon and will let you know when that list is available. But Verbit specifically is looking for somebody who has excellent language skills, great research and listening skills, and if you have 2 years of previous transcription experience, it's not required, but they say it is an advantage. But they are basically looking for somebody just to join their team, have great attention to detail, because you'll basically just be listening to audio files and typing what you hear. They're going to tell you how to format it if they want like new speakers, paragraphs indented, or new speakers labeled like speaker 1, speaker 2. They'll give you all the instructions. All you got to do is be able to type what you hear. Now, things like this, they don't really list the pay because pay is structured differently in different. So they normally either pay per word that is typed or per audio minute that is transcribed. And so how long it takes you to do a minute of audio transcribing or how long it takes you to type a word is different for each person. But moving right along, if you're great with grammar and spelling, then proofreading might be something for you. Alight Solutions has 3,200 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a USA virtual, so this is United States only, proofreader specialist. So basically, you're going to review documents for grammar, spelling, and style, making sure that everything is correct, no periods or punctuation is out of place. You're going to fact check dates or other statements for accuracy. So you'll have to do a little bit of research maybe on Google, making sure that the facts stated in the article that you're proofreading are true and correct, ensuring that you're working with the client's brand, style, tone guide. So they'll give you a guide for how this brand wants their tones in their articles. You'll mark up any documents with using Adobe PDF markup, and you'll just monitor schedules and deadlines, making sure that you get everything submitted and your edits submitted on time. They are looking for somebody who's 5 years experience in production editing. While they prefer a bachelor degree, they don't actually require one. You've got to have great communication skills. Fact checking and research experience is a plus. Someone who can use those Microsoft Office systems and someone who has excellent organizational skills. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can leave anything specific in the comments that you're looking for. I do read those. If you enjoyed job leads like this, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.